Olivia. Wow. How much of your sorting have you done? Of your Legos. Olivia's doing a big Lego. Wow, look at all those pretty colors. Do you need more little cups?
I have a ton. If I'm done, you can give me more cups.
Okay, you still have more pieces to sort under your feet there?
Yeah. And then you can give me more. If I pick this one, it can open.
Oh.
Well, this one can open too, right? No,
Yeah.
it doesn't. It can. But look. Okay. Let's see.
Sorting her Lego pieces. There goes Olivia.
The one you're building, you can take off the roof. And yours can open too, Leah. Like this, you can take off the roof too. The one that you're building, you can take off the roof, and you can take off, and you can take off the roof, and not the one you're building, and you can open it. But the two can open.
You almost done, Via?
Yeah.
Okay, want me to help you put it in Ziploc bags?
Yeah. I think I'm almost done. I think can you give me more bins?
Okay.
To put them in.
Okay.